Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on silent mode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. For the first method, just press and hold the action button to turn on silent mode. Just like that. As you can see, we have successfully enabled silent mode. For the second method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this bell icon. Now just tap on it to enable silent mode. For the third method, just open settings, then tap on sounds and haptics. And from here, you will find the option of silent mode. Now to turn on silent mode, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, you will enable silent mode on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn on silent mode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.